If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Your accountant should provide you with the amounts to enter for depreciation on your fixed assets. They should at least double-check your depreciation entries. After you have these amounts, you can enter them into the decrease column of the accumulated depreciation subaccounts register you created for the fixed asset. The amount will then be attributed to an expense account, like depreciation expense. The accumulated depreciation subaccount will always have a negative balance, as it tracks the loss of value to the fixed asset, which is its parent account. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.